A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, you missed me? Yes? Okay, very good. I also missed you a lot. Today we are going to start our second semester. Yes, and today we will be starting a very easy and interesting chapter because your Diwali vacations are very near. So we will be starting a very easy and interesting chapter. Let's see. We are going to start with chapter number 6, that is Tux Paint. So you all are excited? Yes? Okay, let's move. First of all, how to start the Tux Paint. We will learn it today, okay? And you can download this software from the given website here, www.tuxpaint.org. आप अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलना आपके कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप में आपको ये वाला सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड करके दें एंड यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट. Yes, and it's very interesting. Come on, I will show you. Dear children, we will see the tux paint. See, this is the icon for the tux paint, the penguin icon. We will open it. Yes, so much interesting. You know how to open the tux paint? Yes, in other way also we can do. Yes. दिस इज योर डेस्कटॉप ओके. जब आप अपना कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप ओपन करते हो, दिस इज अ डेस्कटॉप. हियर यू विल टाइप टक्स पेंट. See, tux paint windowed. This we will open. Okay, understood? But for starting the tux paint, you have to download it. Okay, from Google. आप अपने parents को बोलना, they will help you. Okay. Moving on to our PPT. Now, we will study in the theoretical part. Main screen. Now, what the Tux Paint main screen has? The main screen is divided into 5 parts. The first one is the toolbar. It is on the left side of the main screen. It contains drawing and editing tool. ये कहाँ पे होता है? Left side पे होता है and इस यहाँ पे इसमें drawing and editing tools होते हैं. The next one is the drawing canvas. It is the center of the main screen. You can draw here like this. Dear children, there's a small error here. We will rectify it now only. Okay? Yes. So, we will move on to our tux paint. See, this is our tux paint. Okay? These are the tools. Understood? It is on the left side of the main screen and this is our drawing area. It is known as drawing canvas. यहाँ पे हम draw कर सकते हैं. Okay? Moving on, what we are having next? Next, it is on the right side of the main screen. If you select the paint tool, for example, the selector shows various sizes of brushes available. Next one are the colors. A platet of colors is found below the drawing canvas. It has 18 colors. The first 17 are fixed. The 18th color on the right side is one that you allowed to change. Just click on the color here. This will open the color box. As you move over the colors, the same will appear in the square on the upper right side. Now, I will show you this as well. See, this is our tux paint. If I am selecting here the paint option, these are the brushes. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Selector. These are all known as selectors because here we can select the brushes. Okay, यहाँ पे हम brushes का साइज सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. This is known as a color plated. Understood? We can here select any of the colors, for suppose yellow or for suppose red. Okay, we can increase the thickness of the brush like this. Clear? Understood? Very well. Next is the help area. It is present at the bottom of the main screen. It provides tips and other information about the selected tool while drawing the canvas. Now, as you can all here see, ये penguin क्या बोल रहा है? It's saying us the red color. Yes, this area is known as help area. Whatever we are selecting it in the tux pane, it will be displayed here like this. See, blue, it will change to blue, black. If we are changing to lines, see, this is the help area. Click to start drawing a line. Let's go to complete it. See, it is giving us the instructions. हमको help कर रही है कि हमको क्या करना है. So this area will be known as the help area. Clear? Understood? Next. What we are having next? Next is the drawing tools. In that, first one is the paint. The paint tool is used to paint and draw anything that you like. It can be used to draw freehand images or sketches as well as to select various brush shapes present in the sub toolbox. अभी मैम ने आपको दिखाया. I have selected the paint tool. Then मैम ने वहाँ से brushes की thickness increase की. We saw that. Next one is the line tools. The line tools is used to draw straight lines and straight patterns. Next, shapes. The shapes tool is used to draw filled and unfilled shapes like oval, rectangle, triangle. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. We can also rotate the shapes by any angle on 360. And the last one is the text tool. The text tool is used to add text or numbers in the drawing area. Now, these four the drawing tools, first we will see in the practicals, okay? Then we will move on further. This is the tux paint. Now, I will open a new document. Which color do you want me to choose? Tell me fast. Orange? Okay. Wow, it's so interesting. I will choose the paint option. Okay, first we will learn about paint. Now, here are the thickness of the brushes available. हमको brush की कितनी thickness चाहिए? Here they are available. Then the colors are here. Red color or yellow color? Yellow? Okay. See here. Understood? In this way, we can paint. Okay, we can draw the shapes as well with the help of the paintbrush. See, we have to just click it once. Understood? It's so good, no? Then we will change the color. We will try a new shape. See, it's looking so good. The next tool was lines tool. Now, here we have to drag the mouse pointer like this. See, in this also we can choose the thickness of the line and we can choose the color also, green. Okay, see here, green, it will change to green. See, it's looking so good. We can do many things. Then there are shapes also. See, square, it's filled also, filled with color also, and it's unfilled also. Okay, there is a no color in the shape. Okay, we will select a circle and color purple. Yes, see here. Different shapes and circle with color inside. अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस उसमें कलर नहीं था इसमें कलर है क्लियर understood it very well then there is a text option also here we can choose different fonts yes हम different fonts choose कर सकते हैं for suppose now I have here I will write my name in the same way you can also write your name yes so much interesting, no? Then moving on to next slide. Next one is magic. The magic tool is used to add different kinds of special effects to your drawing. And the last one is eraser. The eraser tool is used to erase or remove any part of the drawing. We will try these two also, but first we will see the lab time for you all. Now, this lab time you have to do it as your homework. Okay, when you will watch the video, after watching the video, you will do it as a homework, and after doing it, you will send a photo shot to me. Okay, आप ऐसे photo लोगे and you will send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, we will move on to our tux paint. See, here I will show you eraser. Now, this is the eraser. Okay, see. See, I am rubbing all the text here. Okay, clear? It's so much easy and so much good to see. है ना? And this is the magic tool here. We can try different magics here. But first we have to draw a shape. Okay, and then we can do the magic tool. We can use the magic tool for, suppose I want a different font for my name. So okay, I will choose the color, then see the handwriting, it's calligraphy. Here you can write all these things like this. See, I will rub it, then I will do it once again. Okay, where is the magic tool? Here it is. Then here I will write my name like this. You can also write your name like this. Okay, clear? Understood it very well, dear children? Yes? Small dot also. Yes, it's looking so good, no? Okay, I hope you understood this part of the video lesson very well. Now, you have to draw a scenery as a lap time, okay? You will refer the textbook, okay? You will refer the page number and steps are written there, okay? And you will draw it, okay? You will draw it in the tux paint using lines like this. You will draw the mountains like this, like this. See, you will draw the mountains like this. You will draw a circle like this of the sun and all the things. Clear? We will meet next time with something new in this chapter. Bye bye. God bless you all.